The spiral curriculum is an educational approach where students revisit key topics and concepts repeatedly over time, with each encounter increasing in complexity and reinforcing previous learning. This method allows for progressive deepening of knowledge, skill, and understanding of the subject matter. Developed by educational psychologist Jerome Bruner in the 1960s, the spiral curriculum is based on the premise that a curriculum should revisit basic ideas repeatedly, building on them until the student has grasped the full formal apparatus that goes with them. Bruner's theory asserts that learning is a process of discovery and construction, and the spiral approach enables learners to link new information with existing knowledge, thus promoting a deeper understanding over time. The spiral curriculum operates on several key principles. Firstly, it introduces the fundamental ideas of a subject early in the school years. These ideas are not taught for mastery, but are revisited with increasing depth and breadth in subsequent years. Each revisit increases the student's ability to connect the information with more complex aspects, enabling progressive learning that is more natural and less fragmented than traditional models. Secondly, this approach encourages continuous progress in learning as it builds upon what students have previously encountered and understood. This cyclic process supports cognitive development as each cycle revisits previously learned topics and expands on them with new information or by viewing them from different perspectives. There are several benefits of the spiral curriculum. One of the major benefits is its reinforcement of learning. By repeatedly exposing students to the same topics and expanding on them, the curriculum helps solidify the knowledge and skills acquired earlier. This repeated engagement with content tends to improve retention and understanding, making learning more effective and durable. Another benefit is the accommodation of varying learning paces and styles. Since topics are revisited, students who may not have fully grasped content during an initial encounter have additional opportunities to understand it as it reappears in different forms. This iterative approach can be particularly beneficial in diverse classrooms where students' abilities and readiness to learn certain concepts can vary widely. However, there are limitations to the spiral curriculum. One significant challenge is the requirement for careful planning and coordination across different grades and subjects. Educators must ensure that the revisits are meaningful and progressively advance the student's knowledge, which can be complex to manage and execute effectively. Another limitation is the potential for redundancy and student boredom. Some students who grasp concepts quickly may find it repetitive to revisit the same topics. This can lead to disengagement if not managed carefully by varying the context, applications, and depth of content in each cycle. If you're a university student, I recommend reading the article I've left in the pinned comment, which could help you with your studies, or writing an essay on this topic. You might also want to check out the videos on screen now that explore related concepts in education.